Put that in the case. No, display only.
Display. I can't cut that.
Snow going there?
They call you boss on them.
Yeah,
Hey, buddy.
What's up, boss? Hey, buddy.
They call me boss.
Man, it's right there.
Hey,
It's right there. Oh no, over at Snow now.
I gotta go there and get the seal for goodbye.
I got it.
Sweet shot right there.
Yeah, never gonna have
Well, we got the runway. Yeah, we sure can. Up the clinic, that's the only thing.
People in the terminal are probably glued to the glass right now.
Yeah, I'm a little scared.
To Atlantic City or down to Mississippi. That's usually what they do.
Looks like the military wants it on an area.
Right.
Sit down there and run and get head-on shot. He's a big picture buff.
Did he get a picture? Good spot for you.
Quebec?
That might have been for that.
Yeah, probably. That probably was.
You got a couple really good shots.
It was just flaring right above the squadron there. Took a picture. It looked like it was sitting on top of the building. Depends how ballsy the pilot is.
Sees people on the roof, he'll show them there.
Clean the runway off.
Look at it! Look at the mess! Alright, I'll tell you that.